gears are considered as one of the most important inventions in human history. It won't be wrong to say that this invention actually gave rise to the study of mechanics. Vijay Gears is one such company who excels in the manufacturing of gearbox. The company was established by Mr. Digambar Mule in 1994 along with Veerabhadra Industries and Vijay Gears in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Right from the inception, Vijay Gears is working with excellent quality and professional ethics. Under the leadership of Mr. Digambar Mule, the company aims towards sustainability by providing unique mechanical solutions. Vijay Gears is totally dedicated for the manufacturing of inline helical gearbox and planetary gearbox. Inline helical gearboxes are intended to satisfy all the requirements of a reliable drive for slow-speed high-torque application. Hardened ground gears are used in the manufacturing of the gearbox. Helical gearboxes are available in various standard sizes and are available in foot-mounted and flange-mounted versions and can be customized according to customer-specific requirement. Planetary gearboxes are replacing traditional gearboxes due to their compact size, high transmissible power and increased mechanical efficiency. Our gearboxes are widely used in winches, mobile equipment, conveyor, chemical industry, sugar industry, printing and packaging industry, textile industry, stone processing machine, mining industry and steel plant. Vijay Gears well-equipped manufacturing setup with advanced robotic cell for CNC and VMC machine operations, which results in good quality and energy-efficient product. Vijay Gears is ISO 9001-2015 certified company. An experienced quality assurance staff ensure proper quality material used in the assembly of gearbox through QAP system. The company organizes workshop on quality management regularly to inform about the importance of quality products. Periodic training sessions are conducted for all the staff and are kept upgraded with the latest developments in the industry. We have in-house design facility which includes CAD/CAM software. Our expertise in the gear design helped us to create gears with strong and proper gear teeth profile. The gearbox is designed to absorb high external loads like axial and radial loads as largely proportion ball bearing support the input shaft. It assures precise alignment of gears, reduces vibration, noise and provides ability to operate in high input speed and intermittence. The gearbox is fitted with synthetic rubber oil seals and high-quality sealing used to improve leaking prevention. Its completely enclosed construction allows for installation in open air and hostile environment. All international standard motors can be mounted on our gearboxes. It has a very high dynamic efficiency of 0.964 for 2 stages. Rotation of output shaft could be clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Vijay Gears' wide supply network spread all over India allows the delivery of the products within the stipulated time frame. We define corporate social responsibility by engaging in socially responsible employee relations and making a commitment to the community around it. Our ultimate aim is to do our bit towards making the world a better place to live in.